carpet cleaning machine. Alright, so I'm gonna try to clean these stairs right here using this water extractor. So these stairs right here, they look pretty awful. First thing I'm gonna try to do is vacuum it first. Remove all the dirty stuff, all the pretty much all the dirt that's on top, the swamp that's on top of here. And let's see if I can renew this carpet here. See how it turns out like. Okay, so this is already 25% of the job, the vacuuming process. So remove all the dirt, but it still look very dirty on top here. So I gotta spray the carpet cleaner chemical, and then I'm gonna see how it turns out. First thing I gotta do is spray. Get the carpet wet. Let's see. Give it about 5 minutes. The next thing I gotta do here is grab this DA sander, orbital sander, with some brush, carpet, and upholstery. Slap it on here. Just like that. Hopefully it'll hold, and we'll give it a shot. A couple more minutes. It should soak in all the product in there, and we should be able to agitate the carpet. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with the extraction. Okay, the next thing I gotta do is just use the hot water to extract the rest of the dirt. So this is the end result of the carpet cleaning on the stairs. It took me a good about an hour and a half to get through this whole entire thing here. But it looks a whole lot cleaner now. Carpet cleaning. Very first time doing it. Not bad.